Hi, I'm Patrick Hopper. I'm here with Max Lee, CTO at Lanner. How are you doing today, Max?
I'm doing great. Thanks, Patrick.
Well, when I think of Lanner, I think of a network security appliance company, and clearly you guys have moved beyond that. So tell us a little bit about what you're doing here at the show.
Okay, so I think Lanner, we are famous in network appliance for sure. So we do network business with all these worldwide top networking security company, but actually we are in IoT industrial for like 5 years. So for the demo here, we are trying to show you the future solution for factory automation. So which is edge consolidation that we are introducing here. So for this system, we believe is going to be kind of more powerful and the cost even lower.
All right, well, I see a lot of factory automation here at the Industrial Automation Show. And what makes Lanner unique in this space?
Okay, so here when we talk about edge consolidation, I think with Lanner we are very good at doing the high performance equipment. I would say like IPC. So that's why we bring this concept to factory automation. We are trying to use one machine to do multiple functions, not like the other demo here. Yes, they can do factory automation, but just focus on one function. But when we talk about edge consolidation, we are actually using one machine to handle everything, including like machine vision, like machine control, and even more like AI, just running on one machine. I think that's the whole idea.
Well, great. Well, again, we're at the Taipei International Industrial Automation Exhibition here in Taiwan, and I'm with Max Lee, with the CTO of Lanner. Thanks a lot, Max.
Okay, thanks, Patrick.